Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the Carabc D808, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto smart screen. Come on, let's check it out. Alright, so for this one, comes with a nice packaging. Very simple packaging in here. Let's check what's in the box. All right, so there you go. So packaging wise, basically it is secured with foam in here, and this is the screen. So it is a very slim profile. The screen is long and slim, so low profile basically on this one. So it's nice. Okay, so it also has a USB type C. I think that is used for updating the software. Another USB type C for power, an audio jack, a 3.5 audio jack. The other one, I think that's an AV in for it. So let's see what's the accessories included on this one. So user manual, we have a cigarette lighter for power, we have a suction mount, so for the windshield basically, and we have the cable. So with this cable, basically it has the USB type C, and then on the other end it has the I don't know what this is. That's not 3.5, but this is the 3.5 for the audio, and then we got a regular USB. Okay, I think this is for an AV in. I'm not sure. That's the only cable that we have. So if you want to play it through USB to your audio or 3.5, then yeah, so for this one, most likely we're gonna use the 3.5 millimeter. This is suitable for older model cars that doesn't have a modern car stereo. So but I will put it right now on the RAV4. This one has a CarPlay right now. Just to demonstrate it, we're gonna use it here. I don't have a car that doesn't have basically an older style radio, so we're gonna be installing it on the RAV4. Again, this is for older cars with older radio type that doesn't have CarPlay. Again, this will work for you. Alright, so let's go in the car. Let's proceed on how to install this or how to set this one up. This should be very straightforward. Okay, so just to clarify with this cable, so for this one, it connects to the back of the monitor, the other end. So if your kit comes with a rear view camera, so a reverse cam, it will be plugged in on this one. Okay, this will be plugged in to the power, basically to your cigarette lighter. Just plug this in. Okay, if it's needed, so just plug it in there. And then this is for your aux in on your car. All right, so again, just one cable going through the dash. That is very important. It will look clean doing it this way. All right, so again, let's proceed on the car. All right, so ready to power this on. Let's plug it in. All right, it says first automotive product. Again, this is from Carabc. If you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. So I just discovered that I don't have a 3.5 audio on this RAV4, so I don't know how we're gonna do this. But first, let's connect it to CarPlay. So that's what we're after. So I have my iPhone here. So once we click CarPlay, it says please turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone, and then we're gonna connect to that name. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to our settings, Bluetooth. We're gonna check that name, Carabc F9C8, which is there. And then we're gonna pair it, and we're gonna allow. And then what else? And it pop up with use CarPlay, and then it's connecting. I'm not doing anything here, so CarPlay is loaded. Nice. So let's play some music. Hold on. So we're gonna play some stream beats. If it will play anything, I know it won't, because we don't have audio output. So how are we gonna get that output if we don't have the 3.5mm jack? So let's check what we can do. So let's keep that there, leave it playing. Let's go back home to the car, and then let's go to, what else do we have here? All right, so now let's go to settings and check what are our options. So for this one, system, basically you can change the language, Bluetooth display, sound, dual BT, FM transmitter. So it has a built-in FM transmitter. Let's turn this on or slide it to on, and we're gonna open our FM radio app on our head unit. Set the frequency, whatever frequency you have in here, make sure that that's the same frequency on your FM radio. Basically, you're just tuning on whatever this one is transmitting, okay? So let's go back to CarPlay, and now let's play a music, and it should play on the car speaker. There you go. Now it works. So again, if you don't have a 3.5mm jack, you can use this as a FM transmitter. So you will have this. Again, this is only recommended to be used on older cars that doesn't have built-in CarPlay, of course. What's the purpose of you getting this if you have CarPlay already, right? So yeah, so older vehicles that only have like a CD or an FM radio, this is your option if you want CarPlay on your older vehicles. All right, guys. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link on the description below. Again, it's the Carabc D808. It's nice, low profile. It won't really obstruct your line of sight when you're driving. In this case, I just put it in here on top of my other head unit. Yeah, so again, this is nice. So let's check the other features of this particular smart screen that they call. So let's go. All right, so let's exit. And I saw earlier there's an AirPlay option in here, so let's click that. So AirPlay will disconnect CarPlay. Okay, so let's press OK. Okay, so we're gonna try the AirPlay function of this device. So I'm trying to connect right now using the steps and going to my screen mirroring so that we can do that AirPlay thing. We're gonna play just a video from my phone. So let's see if we can AirPlay that. So we're setting it up. Okay, now on the phone we're gonna airplane a local video in here and try if it connects. All right, so now we're going to AirPlay this video. This is just on my phone right now because I'm having issues with my internet, so it won't connect to YouTube or Netflix. But this is playing locally on my phone.
Go to your file manager, go to your USB disk, look for the folder where you save them. So in this case, I put them on a folder.
There you go. It works. So
they are the one that says zip. So they're the zip
so if
files.
this one is on landscape, it will go landscape mode also. So yeah, so this works properly. And let's go back to CarPlay. It will switch to CarPlay now. So in that case, we need to go back to our Bluetooth. Basically, in the first step, we have to pair it again, or yeah, connect it to the device so that the CarPlay will work. Okay, so there you go. Fast connection, basically. Oh, this big. I tried to play Netflix earlier, so it doesn't play. So again, the stream beats. Again, music wise, it's perfect. So again, if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Yeah, again, very helpful for those who want CarPlay on their older car. All right. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.